Guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Our today's topic is scrappage policy, which announced in Budget 2021. Our quotation is: Life is like a camera. Just focus on what is important. Capture the good times. Develop from the negatives. If think, don't walk out. Take another shot. Here is our one-liner questions. India's commitment to reduce how much percent of pollution till 2030 in Paris Agreement. Motor Vehicle Amendment Act in which year? Which portal launched by Ministry of Road Transport and Highways? Which blending with petrol target is by 2025? You have to give two answers. Which component is blending with petrol, and second one is what is the target? Which union territory use hydrogen based buses to reduce pollution? And also know India's rank in most polluted countries. Our today's question is: scrappage policy can work of incentives are confined to fuel efficient vehicle replacement. Comment. Our introduction would be: Union Ministry of Road Transport and Highways can come up with scrappage policy plus 15 years old vehicles to reduce pollution and meet the commitment done in COP. What is COP? Paris Agreement. Also launch Vahan portal to track and monitoring of these vehicles. We have to give benefits. What are the benefits? It reduces the greenhouse gas emission and help to reduce pollution. It reduces fuel consumption and maintenance cost and also provide more safety to passengers. Also increase investment as well as employment by establishing scrap centers. It also help to meet COP agreement in which our commitment is to reduce 35% of pollution up to 2030. Bring informal vehicle scrapping into formal industries. Low cost material can obtain from scrap which can be used into formal industries like steel. New industries can come up with new innovation and technologies. It also helped to boost economy which hit by pandemic. Reduce oil imports and additional cost like shipping, transportation, security, etc. What are the challenges? Synchronizing all the stakeholders like RTO offices, fitness centers and scrapping centers. Low implementation of policies in our country. Corruption is main hurdle. Like people try to bribe for some benefits. Recently in Delhi we can see four boys are sitting in front of our office which is transport office, and they said to the vehicle owners that we are the agents and we want 2000 rupees for your clearance. Recently they captured by Delhi police. Funding is also a concern. Tracking and monitoring of old vehicles. Due to low income and mindset, people try to violate rules and regulations. Increase solid waste and toxic materials like lead, mercury. Government initiatives. What are the government initiatives? We have to provide them also. Government promote electric vehicle and FAME India and building infrastructure for charging stations. Motor Vehicle Amendment Act 2019 and recently Vahan portal introduced for tracking and monitoring. Increase fees of fitness, registration, depreciation and green tax on old vehicles. Implement BS6 instead of BS4, and our target is ethanol blending with petrol is 20% by 2030. National Mission for Electric Mobility 2020. Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan also help to increase investment in that. What are way forward? Need high technology for tracking and monitoring of all vehicles. High tax and fees is good for all vehicle scrapping, but India is not a very rich country. So we need to provide high rate of consumption to promote and attract people for new vehicles. Need to focus on electric vehicles. We also use Delhi initiative to use hydrogen buses, based buses and other vehicles. Also build infrastructure like charging station for electric vehicles. We can also make hybrid vehicles like solar plus electric. Old vehicles produce 10 to 12% more pollution. Need to spread awareness and also tell them about disadvantages of old vehicles like pollution, low safety, disease. Provide loans at low rate of interest and EMI option through include RBI and industries at one place. Also boost science and technology sector for new innovations and long run battery life of electric vehicles. Proper infrastructure for e-waste management. Use triple R process, reduce, reuse and recycle. Use FASTag and GPS based payment system which is introduced recently. Scrapping policy will be milestone to eradicate the pollution and indirectly road accidents and other health issues through use of environment friendly vehicles. Need to provide incentives to people and promote them to shift vehicles. By proper implementation of this policy, it helps to achieve various SDG goals directly and indirectly. Also help to improve our rank because we are fifth most polluted country. Here is the answer of one liner questions. I also told them in answer, but a quick review of this. India's commitment is to reduce 35% pollution till 2030 in Paris Agreement. Motor Vehicle Amendment Act introduced in 2019. Vahan portal launched by Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Ethanol blending with petrol target is 20% by 2025. Delhi Union Territory use hydrogen based buses to reduce pollution. India's rank is 5th most polluted country. This is it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also provide your suggestions to improve.